I'm going to show you how to create your own dedicated VPN in less than 3 minutes. Hey, it's your boy Gates here with you, and today you will learn how to create a VPN server with copy and paste commands. It's so easy. So before we start, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on to get the latest tutorials and guides. And yeah, leave a comment. It motivates me to make more easy and helpful out-of-the-box tutorial. What's complex? I make it easy for you. So let's start. First, you need to open your VPS by writing your IP and then log in through a password or SSH. For my case, it is an SSH file. Please make sure your VPS is with Ubuntu system or Debian. After accessing our VPS, we should update it. Now let's install Docker. I will leave the link in the description. So all the commands are easy, just copy and paste. Now press Y to confirm. Now select all of them and press OK. Done. Now we have installed Docker on our VPS. Let's start installing the VPN now with one command. So here you have to add your VPS IP and then make a password and pass the command. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Done. Now change your IP and add this port and access your VPN dashboard. Log in with your password. Now create new client and name it whatever you want. Note that you can create many clients for all of your devices or your friends, etc. Now let's install the client in our device. For me, it is Windows. Now import your client file and press Connect. Done. Now you're connected successfully to your dedicated VPN. Now you can like and comment on the video to support us with YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, if you need a guide about something, post it in the comments. See you next video.